Children, welcome you in the bio class. Children, today I am going to explain you bike cross and test cross. So first you see what is the bike cross. Bike cross. A cross between F1 individual and any one of the parents is called bicross. It means when F1 individual it means progeny which are produced in F1 generation, progeny which are produced in F1 generation. They are called F1 individual. When there is a cross between progeny produced in F1 individual and any one of the parents. You know there are two parents, one is male parent, other is female parents. So there is in the bike cross a cross between F1 individual. You see there I have taken red flower and white flower. This is the pure red. It is the pure red. And this one is the pure white. So according to Mendel's, pure red is dominant and pure white is recessive. Pure red is considered as male parent and pure white is considered as female parent. Pollen grain of pure red transfer to the stigma of the pure white. After pollination, seeds are produced. That seeds germinate and the plants are bearing red flower. All are red bearing, but they are having the gene of alleles of red, capital R, and alleles of white, small r. So therefore, these are called hybrid red. And these hybrid red are progeny in F1 generation. Now, when there is the cross between progeny in F1 generation and any of the parent, either we are taking dominant parent or recessive parent, a cross between progeny in F1 generation and any of the parent, that is called bike cross. So children, once more you try to understand, when a F1 individual is crossed with one of the two parents from which it was derived, it is known as bike cross. For example, F1 is bike cross with the dominant parent. Dominant parent is red, capital R. Then recessive individuals are obtained in the progeny. You see, there is progeny F1 individual. F1 individual and dominant parent. F1 individual is capital R and small r. Then you will see F1 individual have dominant and recessive, both genes are present. Therefore, they are producing two types of gametes. Their gametes, 50% gametes are with dominant allele and 50% with the recessive, means 50% with capital R and 50% small r. But which gametes are produced by dominant parent here? There is one type. Now we have made the cross. This side I have taken the gamete produced by F1 individual, capital R and small r. This is the gamete produced by dominant parent, capital R, capital R. So here capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, capital R, capital R, capital R, small r. So in this case, the individuals which are produced, we can say 50% individuals are in homozygous, means pure red flower. 50% individuals are heterozygous. Heterozygous means they are having the allele of dominant and allele of recessive. If you are taking the phenotypic ratio, then all progeny which are produced, they are red. But when you see their genotype, then 50% are pure red because they are homozygous, and 50% are heterozygous, they are hybrid red. But now you see, when there is a cross between F1 individual, progeny of F1 individual, and recessive parent. So recessive parents allelomorphs are small r, small r. The F1 individuals allelomorphs are capital R, small r. F1 individuals produce two types of gametes, 50% gametes with capital R and 50% with small r. Recessive parents produce all gametes alike, that is small r. Now there is the cross. Here also gametes of F1 individual is taken this side. Gametes produced by recessive parents is taken here. When there is the cross, capital R, small r, small r, small r, capital R, small r, small r, small r. Now you see 50% gametes, 50% progeny which are produced in this class are hybrid red. They are heterozygous hybrid red. But 50% gametes are homozygous white. It means ratio, phenotypic ratio is 1:1. 50% are red and 50% white. Genotype ratio is also 1:1. So this cross is called test cross. So children, you have to keep in mind, when F1 individual is crossed with recessive parent, then both phenotype appear in the progeny. Both phenotype means phenotype is red and white. Both appear in the progeny. Therefore, back cross with recessive parent is called test cross. Why it is called test cross? Because it is used to test whether an individual is homozygous or heterozygous. If individual is heterozygous, then progeny produced when it is crossed with the recessive parent, then 50% are red and 50% are white. If individual F progeny or F1 individual is crossed with a dominant parent, then all are red. We cannot get phenotype of both parents. But here, when cross between F1 individual and recessive parents, then we are getting 50% or with red and 50% with white. So this is called test cross. So children, you have to see there is in this, it is the pure red dominant parent, pure red, and this is the recessive parent, pure white. It is dominant parent and this one is the recessive parent. When there is the cross between the dominant parent and recessive parent, the F1 individuals are produced. F1 individual, their phenotype is red. They are heterozygous. They are having the alleles of dominant parent capital R and recessive parent small r. But when there is the cross between F1 individual, this is the F1 individual, and recessive parent, this is the recessive parent. So in one way it is called cross between daughter and father or son and mother. So there is the cross between F1 individual and recessive parent. Then you see recessive F1 individual produce two types of gametes, 50% gametes with capital R allele and 50% with small r. But the recessive parents produce similar types of gametes, and after the cross, which progeny are produced by them, 50% are red, 50% are white. So it means in the test cross, phenotype ratio is 1:1.